This is what happened. So I'm here on a Sunday, which usually I'm here on Sundays, but I'm still not 100% over the COVIDs yet. So I'm just here to do a test drive on this guy right here. Now that we got it all back together, we did some suspension swap in the front, we did spring swap in the back with some saggy butt spacers. Looks a little high right now, but if you look at it from here, rocker looks nice and flat for the most part, maybe a little raked, but I think once I drive it, take it for a test drive, it's gonna sort of settle in. But on another note, I got some parts for the S13. As you guys know, I have a head gasket issue. So I started to order parts for basically rebuilding the head, which I've never done. I've never rebuilt this head. It's never been decked. It's never been machined in my possession. So I have this box that I haven't opened yet. This is only part of what's to come, but the nice thing is we're getting all this stuff shipped. I've got most everything ordered already. So what do we got here? I don't even know what is in here. It looks like probably the valve guides and the seals. Yeah, looks like SuperTech keepers, and then bronze valve guides, SuperTech bronze valve guides. That's the intake stuff. This is the exhaust stuff, and then it looks like we got some valve seals. Sweet. It's a good start on some of the stuff. All the valves are getting drop shipped direct from SuperTech because I went +1 on everything there. And then beehive springs. Oh yeah. The fun stuff. GSC. Come on. Why is this not coming? There we go. Ha. GSC. Of course, it's upside down, but whatever. You get the point. Beehive springs and titanium retainers. Yeah, sick. And I get a nice little. If I can get it the hell out of there, nice little sticker. So that's cool. And yeah, so putting together a whole valve train. I still have to order. Whoa, haha, fell. I still need to order cams. I'm gonna order cams. And what else? Oh, valve cover. Not just valve cover, but like a full head gasket or engine gasket kit probably is in order, so I need that. I've already got ARP head studs, so I don't need those. But yeah, I don't know. I think we're finally gonna have a nice motor, or a nice head, I should say. So, but yeah, should be cool. Looking forward to getting the rest of the parts in. And then once I get the rest of the parts in, I'll try to find the time to pull the motor out and tear it apart and, you know, get it ready to bring up the JP. So, sick. Can't wait.